It's time for you to pick your My 11 Circles fantasy team for match number 7 of the IPL 2020. It's the Chennai Super Kings versus the Delhi Capitals. I'm now joined by Ajit Agarkar. हमारी recommended 11 बताएं उससे पहले इस pro tip पर नजर डालें. Make sure you have a couple of top order batsmen, but also go big on middle order batsmen. अजीत, ये pro tip से आप सहमत या नहीं?
बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ. I think it's necessary. We've seen a couple of top order batsmen who are in good form at this stage, very early in the tournament. But you can see you want to go with form players, and the runs are being scored by quality top order players.
एक और बार हम नजर डाल लेते हैं कि कौन अवेलेबल है, कौन नहीं है. 3 ऐसे खिलाड़ी हैं जिनसे हम दूर रहेंगे इस फैंटेसी टीम का, जहां तक सवाल है. नो क्लैरिटी ऑन वेदर अश्विन विल प्ले, बट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग हिम टू सिट आउट फॉर दिस गेम as a precautionary measure. Dwayne Bravo still hasn't recovered completely from his knee injury, and Ambati Rayudu has picked up a minor hamstring injury, and so both of them are most likely to sit out of this game. Remember the rules: every user on My 11 Circle has 100 credits available to form the team. Each player has been assigned individual credit values, and you've got to pick players from 4 categories: batsmen, all-rounders, wicket-keepers, and bowlers, with a maximum of 7 players from one particular team allowed. Who are our captain and vice captain? We're going with Faf du Plessis as the captain. We saw him play a top knock in Sharjah. He held the innings together. He also has the ability to change gears very quickly, and he can win you a few points with his fielding as well. Rishabh Pant is our vice captain. We are backing him to be our vice captain because he showed some spark against the Kings 11 the other night, batting at number 5. He has a huge role to play, as it has been difficult to bat on initially in the first few games. But if he repeats his 2019 form, he could bring you a windfall game. So, Faf du Plessis, Rishabh Pant, captain and vice captain. Among our other top picks, Sam Curran. Remember, no Bravo, and therefore Sam Curran fits into that slot. He's picked up wickets and scored some runs for CSK. He has the knack of making things happen with the bat and ball. He seems to enjoy Dhoni's backing as well for the big moments, and you can expect him to deliver some special performances in the times to come. Shikhar Dhawan features in that list of top picks. He missed out in the last game, but he'll be very eager to make a statement this time around. With other young Indian top order batsmen doing very well so far, Shikhar will be hungry to show his class. Shreyas Iyer also features in our list of top picks. Young skipper of the Delhi Capitals scored a couple of big blows in that first game. He can be a very, very handy player on these big grounds. He has the ability to take those 1s and 2s at will. Very good runner between the wickets and can play the big shots as well. So our top picks include Faf du Plessis, Rishabh Pant, Sam Curran, Shikhar Dhawan, and Shreyas Iyer. Ajit, any changes to these top 5 according to you?
No, I think very good picks because there are obviously 2 or 3 guys who are in good form, and even though Shreyas and Rishabh didn't get big runs, they came at a tricky time and showed some good forms in slightly tricky conditions. And Shikhar would be hungry, to do well for Delhi because the team looks quite solid. And Sam Curran, like you mentioned, MS Dhoni seems to be trusting him a lot, whether it's bowling the difficult overs or batting at some crucial stages, using him up the order. So 100% agree with these picks.
Right, we've got 2 differential picks as well to talk about. Henrik Nortje, he ran in and bowled those rockets on his IPL debut, hits the right areas and makes it really hard for the batsman to get away. With the Super Kings openers struggling to score freely, Nortje could have a really big role to play. We've also got Shimron Hetmyer as one of our differential picks. This big hitting left-hander from the West Indies is capable of destroying bowling attacks in absolutely no time. Now, his consistency may be a bit of a concern, but he is worth gambling on. If he plays like he did in the CPL, he could win you lots and lots of points. So, Henrik Nortje and Shimron Hetmyer are our differential players. Let's now take a quick look at our recommended 11. Rishabh Pant, MS Dhoni. We've got Shikhar Dhawan, Shreyas Iyer, Shimron Hetmyer, and Faf du Plessis as our 4 batsmen. Sam Curran, the all-rounder, Lungi Ngedi, Deepak Chahar, Henrik Nortje, and Kagiso Rabada, ये हमारे 4 bowlers हैं. और substitutes की list में पृथ्वी शॉ, शेन वॉटसन, रविंद्र जाडेजा और मार्कस स्टोइनिस. जाडेजा एक ऐसे खिलाड़ी हैं जिनके बारे में बहुत बड़ी एक्सट्रीम ओपिनियंस होते हैं. आज हमने उनको सब्स्टिट्यूट पे रखा है. अजीत, आप पहले इस 11 से सहमत और 4 सब्स्टिट्यूट से सहमत या नहीं?
या सॉलिड 11, क्योंकि आप देख रहे हैं एक ही अगर करना हो तो आई विल कीप अ लुक आउट फॉर पृथ्वी शॉ. आई नो ही इज इन द सब्स्टिट्यूट बिकॉज ही कैन बी दैट एक्सप्लोसिव पिक दैट यू वांट in your team. So I keep a close watch on how his form is. The the substitutes are solid players as well. Both the teams would be hoping those guys. I mean, we saw Stoinis do what he did in that first game, but particularly Watson and Jadeja, CSK need them to get into form. Otherwise, things will keep getting difficult, and you can't keep depending on just a Faf or one or two players. So those are big players who need to come to the party, which they haven't yet.
Right, you saw our recommended 11. You heard from Ajit Agarkar. जाके जल्दी से अपनी टीमें बनाइए. हो सकता है कि आप बहुत बड़े प्राइजेस जीत जाए. That's it for now on my 11 Circle Fantasy Picks on ESPN Cricket Info.